What's up, what's going on guys? It's Migs with Polar Pro. Welcome back. We're at the San Jacinto Mountains with our friend Tom, and we're gonna test out the Mavic 2 Pro's aperture and see where the 1-inch Hasselblad sensor is the sharpest. Tom's getting ready to climb, so let's run some tests and see where the native aperture of this lens is and see where the sharpness begins to fall off. For the first one, while they're getting ready, we're gonna get a shot of their helmets, which is gonna cover up a majority of the frame. So let's fire up some shots at different apertures and put them together in post to see the difference in sharpness. Now let's switch up the scene. Tom is a little ways up, so we're gonna shoot a side profile of him and see how expansive this wall is. Okay, so it looks like we start to lose detail of Tom at f5.6. I can't really see a difference between f2.8 and 4 on my phone, but maybe there's a difference in the computer. So let's get more shots of Tom before going to our third location. Well, that was crazy. Tom's insane for climbing that wall. So for our final sequence, we're gonna test and see the sharpness of the edges and lines of this green car with close-up static shots. It's kind of hard to tell on my phone the sharpness, but from what I can see, 2.8 and f4 are similar. f5.6 on the other hand is pretty similar to 2.8 and f4. And if we go to f11, you can tell that the lines are softer on the car than it would be at f2.8 and f4. From the results today, you can tell that the lens is sharpest at f2.8 and f4, and it falls off at 5.6. Sometimes when you're in a bind or you forgot your ND filters, you're gonna have to shoot in higher apertures. Although the sharpness isn't ideal, at least you still got the shot. Thanks for tuning in. If you thought this video was helpful, please let us know in the comments down below. We love hearing from all of you guys. It's Migs with Polar Pro signing out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.